Chestnut number 12. Walnuts. These heart-shaped nuts are packed with omega-3s, magnesium, and selenium, a trio that fights inflammation, balances blood sugar, and protects blood vessels. Walnuts slow digestion thanks to their fiber, preventing sugar spikes and promoting fullness. A handful a day is all you need for long-term heart protection. Roasted potato number 11. Yams are complex carbs that digest slowly, avoiding blood sugar spikes. They're rich in diosgenin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and improves circulation. They also provide vitamin B6, important for mood, sleep, and hormone regulation. Use yams in soups, purees, or roasted, comfort food that heals. Garlic number 10. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that improves circulation and lowers blood pressure. It's a natural antibiotic, boosts immunity, and improves insulin sensitivity. Crushed raw garlic activates its healing compounds. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking to get the full effect. Just 1 clove a day can make a difference. Red apple number 9. Apple with skin, don't peel that apple. The skin contains quercetin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects blood vessels. Apples are also rich in pectin, a fiber that forms a gel in the gut, slowing the absorption of sugar and fats. They help control insulin resistance, improve digestion, and support weight loss. Eat them raw, baked, or sliced into salads. Just keep the skin on and go organic. Broccoli number 8. Broccoli delivers sulforaphane, a compound that detoxifies the body and protects arteries from damage. Its mix of soluble and insoluble fiber stabilizes blood sugar and supports gut health. Plus, vitamins C and K reduce inflammation and strengthen vessel walls. Steam it lightly or sauté with olive oil to preserve its nutrients. Tangerine number 7. Orange with pulp. An orange with pulp is a powerful ally against diabetes. Its soluble fiber reduces fat and sugar absorption, while vitamin C boosts immunity and heart health. The flavonoid hesperidin improves blood flow and reduces artery plaque. Eat the whole fruit or blend with the pulp. Avoid pure juice, which spikes blood sugar. Rice plant number 6. Oats contain beta-glucans, a fiber that forms a gel in your gut, slowing digestion and reducing glucose and cholesterol absorption. This helps protect the pancreas and clean out arteries. Oats also contain avenanthramides, unique antioxidants that reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Best eaten as old-fashioned flakes or oat bran. Soak before use for better digestion. Chestnut number 5. Almonds offer healthy fats, magnesium, fiber, and protein. They stabilize blood sugar after meals and reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL. Magnesium is essential. It supports over 300 metabolic functions, including glucose and blood pressure regulation. A small handful a day is more than enough.